What is Boolean logic?
Boolean logic is a foundation of programming, allowing computers to make decisions. By evaluating conditions as either true or false, Boolean logic helps determine which actions to take in a program. Understanding how logical operators work is essential for building control flow, or the order in which your code executes.
The AND operator explained.
The AND operator checks if two or more conditions are all true. In most languages, it's written as AND or AND. A statement using AND returns true only if every part is true. For example, to enter a website, a user might need to be logged in and over 18 years old.
How the OR operator works.
The OR operator returns true if at least one of its conditions is true. It appears as OR in code. Imagine a login form that accepts either a username or an email address. If either field is filled, the requirement is considered met.
The NOT operator demystified.
A NOT operator flips a Boolean value. Written as exclamation point or not, it turns true into false and vice versa. For instance, if you want a warning to show when a user is not logged in, you'd use the NOT operator to check for that condition.
Boolean logic in real programming.
Boolean operators shape the control flow in programs, guiding which statements run depending on conditions. Combining AND, OR, and NOT lets you build powerful decision-making logic. Mastery of these basics is crucial for writing clear, efficient, and effective code.